flying, which essentially is a rescue mission here. Yesterday, I had my Mavic Pro out, and it fucking crashed across the street back here. I have a very good idea where it is. Want to see if I can spot it first with this before I go marching through the fucking woods back there. At 200 feet. Luckily I recorded the crash on this GoPro. And it just fucking fell out of the fucking sky. See, this thing, I don't have the range with the Mavic, but...
Go home.
Oh, come on, see? Fuck. Wants to come home. I don't have the fucking range that I have with the other one. It's not that far away either. So, it's right behind this barn back here. And I probably won't be able to see it because my picture's small on the phone. But it should have went down right about here somewhere. And I'm getting a shitty signal, so I can't really see it that well. But weak signal. Signal lost.
Go home.
Fuck. Canceled return home. It's just a little fucking too far out of range. So I'm just gonna try to go back. And maybe I can see it on video when because it's colored orange. Need to get some altitude. This kind of sucks because if I can spot it, I'll know where to go to get it. I definitely won't be able to see it from here. RC signal lost.
Go home.
Come on. It's not that fucking far away. I think I'm beating a dead horse because it's not going to let me go over here. If I could just get over where it went down, I might be able to spot it. It's just like on the limit of not being able to get there. That fucking cell tower ain't helping any.
Go home.
God fucking damn it. It's literally right there. Fucking range on these things suck. I'll let it come back and beating a dead horse. I'm not gonna fucking be able to see it. The only hope is when I get home, I can spot it on the computer monitor. Strong interference. It's that fucking cell tower over there. Just let it come back. Fuck it. Not much of a flight. It's not even that goddamn far away. Gotta come up with another strategy to find this fucking thing. Landing. Oh, it's right over my head. But it's way over my head. Way the fuck up there. Strong interference. It's a fucking cell tower. The Mavic doesn't give me any kind of shit like this. The one that's lost. It's that bastard out there, that fucking cell tower. Well, I gotta take off of the spot that's closer to that field than here. So otherwise, it's a nice day. I don't have control over the exposure either with this one. I'm not gonna land it. Damn, it feels like a hurricane standing under there. That's a landing not as designed. What the fuck? Oh, that's right. These don't have bottom sensors. Do you know about